In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send backward in Excel. When you place pictures, icons, shapes, or text boxes on a worksheet, they stack in layers, just like sheets of paper. Sending something backward moves it behind other objects so the layout looks clean and elements don't cover each other. This is especially handy for dashboards, annotated reports, or any sheet where visuals overlap. First, click the image you want to move behind the other objects. You'll know it's selected when you see the resize handles around it, and, depending on your version of Excel, a picture format or shape format tab appears on the ribbon. If multiple objects overlap, click carefully right on the image you intend to move so you don't select a nearby shape by mistake. You can also drag slightly to confirm you've selected the correct item, then release to keep it in place before changing its order. Next, click Bring to Back to move that image behind the rest. In many versions of Excel, this command is labeled Send to Back. Both mean the same thing here. Send the selected object all the way to the bottom of the stack. You'll usually find this in the Arrange group on the Picture Format or Shape Format tab. Some users also access it from the context menu by right-clicking the object and choosing Bring to Back or Send to Back. The moment you click it, the image shifts beneath the other shapes on the sheet. You should immediately see the foreground items appear on top. If the image seems to disappear, don't worry. It's simply sitting underneath another object. Drag the top object slightly if you need to reveal its edges. Remember, Excel objects always float above the worksheet grid, so sending to back places the item behind other objects, not behind the cells themselves. If you overshoot your design intent, press Ctrl+Z to undo. For fine control in projects with many layers, note that Send Backward moves the object down one layer at a time, while Send to Back, or Bring to Back, jumps it to the bottom. If your workbook includes charts, SmartArt, or icons, the same process applies. Layering order affects what you see on screen and what appears when you print or export to PDF, so taking a moment to set correct order helps avoid surprises. And that's it. By selecting the image and choosing Bring to Back, you can arrange visuals precisely and keep your worksheet looking polished and easy to read.